I need to get home. Look at this dust storm coming. I was just picking Corvair parts. This is crazy. Oh my God. This is bad. I was just picking parts. Filling the back of my truck up. I was hoping to get it in the shop before this hits, but I don't think so. This is crazy, crazy. This is horrible. This is horrible. And it's gonna hit pretty soon too. Alright. Little pile of stuff I just picked up for the Corvair. Bearings. That's got the old fans because they're cool to hang up. And a bunch of stuff. Well, I want to get the rest of the parts into my back of there. Here it is. Dust storm. It's horrible out here. Nasty, nasty, nasty. Out my shop. Close my one vent. The dust storm is rattling this place. It's bad out there. It's bad, bad, bad. No good. This is cool off. That's bad. Not so bad. Alright. Had to get them parts though.
Between Casa Grande and here in the valley. But look at this, Apache Junction. Yeah, Bruce Evans posting this, and this is just crazy. You could see that line there of where that dust wall was moving up here into the valley. Like Royal has said, it appears to be a little bit more widespread at this point as we head into that 5 o'clock hour, but it did kind of start, of course, as that big wall just down to the south and to the east of us.
Is just beginning to drop.
So
Wind speeds are up. We've seen a lot of
I was out picking the Corvair parts,
passing through the roadways, and now we
and
have
a place,
rain
and
in this area as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and pass it over to
that
Royal,
rolled
tracking
in
the storm right now.
Yeah.
Tell you how the conditions are right now.
Well, at least we got rain now.
I'll show you the two warnings that we have active right now, and then we're going to show you a couple of interesting
It's raining.
Before we show you the shot of the day that Holly has found for us right now. So as we go to the maps, these are the
Yeah, at least I got my Corvair parts in the shop. So hey guys, I'm cleaning out the truck and throwing stuff on the trailer and sorting it out. Gary and I yesterday we took a ride down to Tucson. I told Gary, I said, told him last week, I said I'm going down to see Bill, and he's gonna give me some parts, and he said pick me up. So I picked him up at 6:30 and we headed down to Tucson. I met one guy to pick up a set of some parts, some headers, some U-pipes, and he said he had a set of 140 heads. When we got down there, they weren't a pair, and he just wanted too much. I would have bought them. They were decent heads just to have, but he just wanted too much. So I know these are just old harmonic balancers, but Bill had a pile of them down there, and Gary's like, just pick them up, take them. We go out to California, bring them out there. They buy them out there to rebuild them. So got a whole bunch of them. I know these aren't worth nothing, but I'm just gonna throw them out in my yard, or hang them on a shop wall or something. And but we got a bunch of blocks from Bill, some heads, he gave me some secondary carburetors. Yeah, I'm gonna go take this stuff out, blow it off, and stack it up on a trailer, and then I gotta sort it out and go ahead and put it in a storage container, because I just can't take this stuff and just throw it anywhere. It's got to be put away. All right, I got it all blown off and cleaned up and sorted out. These here are from Bill down in Tucson. We went to a storage container or storage unit, and it has to be 25 foot deep at least, and it is stacked 9 feet at least in there with a little aisle 2/3 of the way back. And he said in back in the corner he's got a pile of heads 5-6 feet tall. He said take them all, and we had found these ones, and I was in that hot storage thing digging. He said you can't get back there, it's too full. I'm like, I'm here, I'm getting it. I dug and dug and dug back in that corner, and he said they're back in the corner by a generator. And I got to that corner and I couldn't find it, and he said they're in there somewhere. So we just got that one's out of a storage container or a storage unit. I met another guy down there for some 140 heads, and they were mismatched heads, and I would have bought the 2 because they were in good shape, but he wanted too much. I got these from them. They got some road rash, but they're still pretty cool. I don't know if I could actually bolt them to a set of heads and actually re-weld them, build them, I don't know. And he gave me a head, and I got the U-pipes for 140 from him. And these here are from Bill heads. Now these crappy, rusty harmonic balancers, Gary said, go ahead and grab them. We'll take them to California. They'll buy them out there, and go ahead and rebuild them. So I guess we'll be taking them out there. Some AC stuff, some push rod tubes. Now some of this stuff was from the dust storm pick the day before. We got hammered with the dust storm. I sort through it, clean it, blow it all off. The stuff was so crappy and full of dust and dirt and webs. And straight it out, sort it, and put it in my container. Now, a couple of these, this one, and that one came from Bill. These ones came from the other dust storm pick. This is all from the dust storm pick. Some crummy looking distributors, maybe it could be cleaned. I found some of these. This is the one I just had to like weld up. Had the 2 holes, and I believe that's the one I just welded up and made into a single hole. But that's right, I need another one for the 140 going into the custom one. I'll get a good tube. That's good. Transmission tube. There's some rings and some electronics here. There's so much of this at this other place, but it's kind of mixed with some other stuff. So I'm trying to find the Corvair stuff, and there's a whole bunch of bearings here, main bearings, but they're all missing, seem to be missing a box. I need to go back and see if I could find them. I don't know, these were all stacked together, but the other ones weren't. I don't know if these are Corvair or not. I grabbed them. These I got from that pick. Bill gave me these. He gave me the secondaries because I was looking for some, whether they can be fixed or not, put together. I know them ain't worth nothing, but I wanted them anyways to throw around in my yard for decorations because I think they're cool, hang them on the wall. And this Holley carburetor setup here, Bill's had it hanging in his shed. Every time I go down there, I've been down there maybe 5 times now, I says, you want to get rid of it? And he's like, oh, he goes, every time you come down here. And finally this time he told me, go grab it down. He goes, take it. Thank you, Bill. Yeah, and all this stuff was just full of dust, cobwebs. Some of it had these mesquite tree, little leaves all over it. And I blew it all out and cleaned it. I did get, Bill gave me these. Here, there's one FC and 2 others here. So I grabbed them. Gary's like, grab them, take them. So I gotta get this stuff stacked up in here wherever I can. And yeah, it was a good day. Gary really enjoyed it. Cause I was going down to Tucson. He said, pick me up. Picked him up, we made a day of it. We had a good time. Gary and I, and you got to meet Bill. All right, thanks for watching. Thanks, Corvair Addiction.